Hey there, YouTube family. It's Stocks with Josh. Today was a great day in the markets. Is it possible the market believes that inflation is peaking, or was this just a dead cat bounce? Well, the dollar has pulled back and is in a zone of consolidation. It can either go back and retest all-time highs, putting immense pressure on the markets to fall further, or it could fall from here. Oil has rolled over, which is really good for the markets because it can also relieve pressure on inflation and the actions of the Fed. Bitcoin has stabilized and the altcoins have been rising and doing even a little bit better than Bitcoin. Gold is pulled back and is consolidating, and if the dollar pulls down from here, gold will go on a rally. So all of this is giving us a little bit of time where some of our trades and our stocks are green and making us money, and we have to ask ourselves, when should we sell those? I'm going to share with you one of my trades that I notified you guys back on June 16th. I'm going to take you into the charts on that, and I'm going to show you one of the trades that I'm in and some of the opportunities that I see in that play. Before we begin, please invest in that like. If you're new to this page and you're looking for complex stock and crypto trading concepts broken down into easy to understand language, then hit the subscribe button. Do not fall for scammers in the comment section, and anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or hold a stock. Okay, I'm going to take you guys to a video of Larry and I on the 16th of this month.
Be a red day.
I'm going to throw this out there. We're going to keep it short and sweet, but I am still watching Alibaba for around $100. I would love to get into it. And if we get that turbulence, if we get that last pull oversold position, that's a stock I'm going to be buying.
There you go. Hey, we're going to leave.
Family, I have 3 times brought Alibaba to you guys. I called it as a potential bottom when it hit $75 on Larry's show back in, I believe, March. I can't remember the exact date. I said buy at 76. It ran up, I believe, to, at that point, $124 6 days later. On this month, I told you guys on the 16th that I was buying Alibaba and that I was looking to buy it around $100 to $98. My trades, my first trade went through at $100, and I continued to acquire around $100 to $102, all the way up to $108. Today, Alibaba is sitting at $117 to $118, and I'm going to take you guys into the charts and show you where I think this is possibly going. Okay, so I called this out, and I just want to briefly show you guys again. We're looking at the simple moving averages, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200. This break over, when the 10-day moving average begins to break over the other moving averages, that's a very bullish sign. So far, we have broken over these 3. We've closed. Now, we have a lot of resistance at this range around 121 to 123. You know, again, I've pointed out these candles to you that have no wicks on them. They're extremely bullish. It means that the stock price was being bought up by the bulls all the way to the close of the day if there's no wick. And there's no wick right now on this candle, which I believe. Now, could we pull back? Sure we could. But overall, this is looking very bullish to me, and I think that it's quite possible for us to jump up and hit this moving average right here. I think that's going to push us up to the 121 to 123 price range. This has already been a winning stock. I wanted to give you guys that target because I had given you guys the trade. I told you where I was getting in. That will be a $22 to $23 upswing on Alibaba. I do believe when we hit that, we're going to face a lot of pressure in the market overall, and I think we're going to see a pullback. I want to bring Alibaba to you guys' attention because I really see it right now trading in a very profitable range. A lot of you who followed my trade when it was at $76, the comment section was full of, or not full, but there was a number of you that jumped on it and had made some really good money. And right now, we're in this trade again. I believe we're going to see it go back up to that same range of around $21 to $22. I will probably be phased out of my position between $19 to $22. I'll probably be entirely phased out. You got to remember this saying: bulls make money, bears make money, hogs get slaughtered. So I'm not going to stay too long in this trade. It's not because I don't believe that Alibaba couldn't go much higher. I'm just trading the range, and I will let you guys know when it pulls back and I begin to find my spot to get back into it. If you guys have been following me along, you know that I give you guys trade entries. If you guys want to do that with me, you know we're doing the Verb Small Account Challenge. I'm going to take you guys into that real quick. Moomoo is a trading app. It's a mobile trading app for your phone, your iPad, or your computer. It has 0 commissions. It has full extended hours from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. It gives you free level 2 marketing data and 8 order types. And right now, you can shorten it if you have a balance of $2,000. And right now, they're giving away 10 free stocks. When you open and fund your account, you're given 10 chances to get Google stock. Google's been up big today, but I think it's around 2,400. You have 10 chances to get a Google stock. So that's a pretty good opportunity. I wanted you guys to be aware of this opportunity with Alibaba. I think there's still money to the upside, but right now it's a little bit more risky than where I got in. I have my trailing stop set at 108. If it pulls back to 108, I will still have really good profit because I bought in mostly between 102 at 100 to 104. So if it comes back to 108, I will still make money, but I really do see it popping all the way up to that 122 again and hitting resistance there. I wanted to share that trade with you guys. As always, I appreciate you let me be part of your financial journey, and you guys all have a great day. Hit that like on the way out. Thanks, fam.